Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 18 divide 3 is equal to 6. Then again 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now 6 multiply 6 is equal to 36. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS PEM DAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then multiplication and division both have equal priority, and third priority. In last priority, addition and subtraction also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So in this question, division and multiplication both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 18 divide 3 is equal to 6. Multiply 2 plus 4. Now here is multiplication and here is addition. So multiplication have first priority. Then we have to solve addition. So 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 12 plus 4 is equal to, now 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Okay. So the correct answer is 16. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.